Hi everyone, I'm having a simple classic snake game made by Unity, and the snake is controlled by me. In this video, I want to attempt to make this game capable of playing itself. To achieve this, I want to use the A-star pathfinding algorithm to perform, since I've had experience with this algorithm from my very first video. Without further ado, let's start the process of making it. It runs well now. Because the body parts are the obstacles, they update every time the head part moves. So I let the patch update continuously as well. Although it's looking good, there is a problem. Because the snake just looks for the apple inside the map, so it has lost the ability to move to the opposite edge when passing the edge of the map. To solve this, let's look outside of the map. I create 8 more apples around the map, with their location based on the apple's current location and the vertical and horizontal length of the map. The snake will look for the nearest apple among 9 of them. Because the patch updates continuously, when the snake passes the edge of the map, it will move to the opposite edge and the patch will update, leading to the apple inside the map. But there's still a problem. When the snake wants to go to the opposite edge, it cannot check whether there are any obstacles at the location it's going to and just goes in, so the game is over. I solved this by adding 4 rectangles along the 4 edges of the map and checking if the snake is currently on them or not. If so, it will create obstacle blocks outside the opposite edge based on the snake's location. This will solve the above problem because the snake can check the obstacle every time it wants to pass the edge. The program looks finished, but the results are not really what I expected. Results will usually only be achieved in the range of 80 to less than 100. This is one of the few times when the results was 117. If I just want to achieve the greatest possible result, there will be no need for the above complicated things, and the algorithm just like this. But still, this was a fun experience. I guess that is all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you until next time.